You're welcome to this very video tutorial. I made mention that I will show you a site where you can apply for loan. So this very site will give you all you need as far as loan is concerned, and not just that, there are things you need to know, especially the guide on how to get a US loan. This loan is basically for those who are residing in US, so there are guides on how to access this very loan. But before then, if your first time coming to this very channel, I would like you to go over to my YouTube channel and subscribe. It's a growing channel basically on how to make money online. There are videos here you can watch and you can learn. So back to the site I am talking about. But before the site, there are guides on how you can access loan online. One of the ways to access loan online is for you to check your credit score and report. Check your credit score. Your credit score is one of the most critical factors that lenders consider when evaluating your loan application. It's a 3-digit number that represents your credit worthiness, and it ranges from 300 to 850. The higher your score, the better your chances of getting approved for a loan. So that is just number one thing you need to consider about getting a loan. Before applying for a loan, check your credit score and report to ensure that it's accurate and up to date. You can get a free copy of your credit report once a year from each of the 3 credit bureaus you can ever talk of. We have Equifax, we have Experian, and TransUnion. And you can actually check your credit score by going to annualcreditreport.com. That is where you can get all that information before you be able to have access to apply for this loan. You can as well have a low credit score. Take steps to improve it before applying for a loan. That is the easiest way for you to get access to loan. Make sure you pay your bills on time. Keep your credit balance or credit card balance low, and avoid opening new credit accounts. So number 2 is choose the right type of loan. There are different types of loans available, such as personal loan, auto loans, home equity loans, and business loan. Choose the type of loan that fits your needs and circumstances. For example, if you need let's say the money for a specific purpose, such as buying a car or home renovation, consider an auto loan or home equity loan. If you need the money for general expenses such as debt consolidation and medical bills, consider a personal loan. Then also, the number 3 things you need to consider, or a guide for you to get a loan, is for you to shop around for vendors. Shop around for lenders rather. Sorry about that. Different lenders have different loan requirements, interest rates, and fees. Shop around for lenders that offer loans up to about $50,000. And compare their rates and terms. You can check online lenders, traditional banks, and credit unions to see which one offers the best deal for you. Make sure to read the fine print and understand the loans terms and considers such as interest rate, repayment period, and any fees or penalties. Don't forget to subscribe to this very channel, like, comment, and share this very video. By doing so, you encourages me to do more and give you more updates on how to make money online. So the number 4 on how to get access or get loan up to $50,000 in US. Number 4 is prepare your loan application. To apply for a loan, you need to provide some basic information such as your name, address, social security number, that is your SSN, and income. You may also need to provide additional documentation such as pay stubs, tax returns, or bank statements to verify your income and employment. Before applying for a loan, gather all necessary documents and information. Fill out the application completely and accurately. You heard me. Make sure to double check for any errors or omissions that could delay your loan and approval process. Consider okay, let's go to number 5. Number 5 guide is for you to consider a cosigner or collateral. Yes, that is number 5 guide. If you have a low credit score or have a limited credit history, a cosigner or collateral can increase your chances of getting approved for a loan. A cosigner is someone who agrees to take responsibility, just like a guarantor in some area, responsibility for the loan if you cannot make payments. Collateral is an asset that you pledge as security for the loan, such as a car or a house. If you have a cosigner or collateral, make sure to include their information in your loan application and provide the necessary documentation. Then number 6 is this: you need to repay your loan on time. These are guides. All these things I'm mentioning are guides for you to assess loan. You need to repay your loan on time. Once you get approved of your loan, you need to also repay the loan on time. That is a way to increase your credit score. Make sure to repay it on time and in full. Late payment or missed payments can hurt your credit score and lead to additional fees and penalties. Set up automatic payments and reminders to ensure that you don't miss any payment. In conclusion, getting a loan up to $50,000 in the US requires some preparation and effort. By checking your credit score and report, choosing the right type of loan, shopping around for lenders, preparing your loan application, considering a cosigner and collateral, and also repaying your loan on time, you can increase your chances of getting approved for a loan that meets your need. These are 6 important guides I've just tried to mention to us on a way for you to apply for a loan. And if you check in the link of this very video, on the description of this very video, I will leave a link below where you can gain access to this very website. Here you are seeing this very website. I've taken my time to make some research about it, and I was able to come across it because I have been opportune to have access to borrow some money from this very website, and they really disburse the money to me on time within 24 hours. So this very website will help you to get up to $1,000, $2,000, $5,000, $10,000, $15,000, $20,000, up to $50,000. You can see you can gain $1,000 to $50,000 as fast as possible within 24 hours, safe and secure. But first of all, you must heed to my advice concerning these 6 guides on how to get a loan. Check your credit score before applying so that you won't be turned down. If your credit score is not encouraging, make sure you work on it and increase. Come back to apply. Then there are so many things you need to consider here. The loan you are taking, is it for business and all that? So you can look at the website interface. It's very simple to navigate. It's very simple as illustrated. So all you need to do is to just complete a form, pick a loan offer, and you get your cash within 24 hours. Now you can see here frequently asked question: how long can I borrow? How much can I borrow rather? The amount a lender or lending partner is willing to give you depends on how the lender or lending partner evaluates a number of factors, including your states of residence and applicable legal restrictions. Loans are not available in all states. Many lenders or lending partners in our network will loan between $1,000 to $50,000.